Okay guys, welcome to this channel. Today I'm discussing about Ohm's law. Actually, Ohm's law helps us to show the relationship between voltage and current. Ohm's law was discovered or derived by George Simon OHMS. So Ohms can be presented with this symbol. See the symbol to represent it, and it stated a law which states that the current, which is I, passing through a metallic conductor is directly proportional. Look at the sign, proportional to the potential difference, which is V, provided the physical quantity and other things are kept constant. Then mathematically this is proportionality sign, so I have to remove it by putting a constant. So therefore we can say that V over I equals constant, and the constant to introduce is resistance, which is arrow. So we can say that our V all over I equals arrow, and arrow is resistance. Resistance can be simply defined as the opposition of current. It means that you put a wire and electric charge through here, it cannot pass through here because you have cut it. It's not a short circuit. So this marker is now acting as a resistance. Let's say this is a feed. It's now acting as a resistance in the electrical feed. So, but Ohms stated that resistance, to his own understanding, that when a PD applied across its end cause a current of 1 ampere to flow through it. That was how Ohms define resistance. Then there are some material, let me say conductor, that does not obey Ohm's law. Number one, we have radio waves, e.g. your dipoles, and again we have gases. They does not obey Ohm's law. The next one, we have translators, does not obey Ohm's law. Then we have the last one, rectifiers. They does not obey Ohm's law. Okay, let me give you the graph that we use to represent Ohm's law. So let me clean this part. The graph is drawn like this. The linear graph. Your voltage, your current. You draw a straight line. This graph can be named as graph drawn whereby graph drawn V against I. So this is the graph of Ohm's law whereby V is drawn against I. Okay, after giving these few points, I think let's take some question pertaining to Ohm's law. Okay, these are the questions. We have two questions on the board. So I can click here. Let's solve the questions. Previously, on the first part, we have that V all over I equals your resistance. So let's make V the source of the formula. So we cross multiply by saying that I arrow equals V. So V equals I arrow. So this is the formula derived from Ohm's law. So in the first question, we have resistance, we are looking for current, we have voltage. So we can say that resistance equals 1 ohm, 100 ohms, current, which is I, or this the unit for current is a ampere. So current unknown, then your voltage 120. So if you substitute this value into this formula, you can get the value for current by saying that voltage equals 120 equals your current unknown times your resistance 100. Divide both sides by 100. 100 cancel 100. So your current equals 0 cancel 0. So we have 12 all over 10, which will be current equals 1.2 ampere. So this is your value for the first question. Let's solve for the second question. So we can say that this first question answer is 1.2, which will be 1.2 ampere. So for the second question, we don't have resistance. So resistance unknown. Your voltage is 20 voltage. Your current is 10 ampere. So let's put this value into the formula by saying that our current is 10 times your resistance unknown, your voltage is 20. So that goes side by 10. Take out to 10. So arrow equals 20 over 10. And 20 over 10 is 2. So the resistance here is 2 ohms. So this is the answer to question 2. Please, thanks for watching. Because the next video I'll be teaching on is resistance. Kindly hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload the video on resistance. Thank you for watching.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.